Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do 1-year-old Mickey Mouse decorations. We're going to go ahead and get started. We have a Mickey Mouse kit here where we have balloons, banners, and some more balloons. We're going to go ahead and get started with blowing up some balloons. I love these Mickey Mouse ear balloons. They're so cute and they're going to be so fun when we put them up on our backdrop. And now I'm blowing up a big number 1. This is going to be the center of our backdrop. And these are the cutest Mickey Mouse balloons. We have a thumbs up. I think we have some Mickey ears. And then in just a minute here, we're going to go ahead and make a fun balloon flower. To make the confetti stick on my balloons, I just rub them on the table to give it some friction so they can go ahead and stick to the balloon. And with the balloon flower, you just take a balloon, and with the balloon flower clip, you just put it inside the little clips, and you go all the way around and add one in the middle, and you create your balloon flower. Now, this is a fun little Mickey banner to put together in 3 different pieces. I'm going to show you how to do it. I've never had one like this. You follow the holes around Mickey Mouse's body with the string to help stick it together. So we're going to put the string through his head first, through his body, and then through his feet. And then we're going to go back up and do that on the other side. And this will help hold Mickey together. When we're done stringing Mickey, we're going to go ahead and just tie it at the end to hold it. Now let's go ahead. It's time to get our backdrop up and put together. I'm going to start off with the black curtain fringe, just one in the middle. And now it's time to hang some balloons. I'm just using double-sided tape to put on the back of the balloons. We're going to put the Mickey Mouse ears balloon on either side of our backdrop. And now it's time to hang up our happy birthday banner. I'm just going to use some tape to get that hung up on the backdrop. And also please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos. And we're going to add our last Mickey Mouse head balloon in the middle of our backdrop. Now we're adding the number 1 balloon. Right here we have a number 1 banner. And with this, pretty much this is the high chair, little banners they put over the high chair. It came with the kit, so I said, why not? I went ahead and put it up on the backdrop and thought it looked really cute. I'm tying some string through the flower clip to be able to hang it on the wall of our backdrop. And I'm just going to use a tack, and then we're just going to put the string on top of the tack, and it holds the balloon flower up great. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side to get that one hung as well. And you can just adjust it however you want to. And here are the 1-year-old Mickey Mouse birthday decorations. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Check out my other Mickey Mouse party decorations video, and have a royal day.